If you're a video editor, content creator, or someone who works with lots of video files, you probably face this problem. Your editing software doesn't support a specific video format, the file is way too large to send to a client, your SSD is running out of storage, or maybe you use an online converter only to discover file size limits, watermarks, or painfully slow conversion speeds. And if you're converting large videos using free tools, sometimes you end up waiting forever just for a simple format change. So what's the solution? Well, I recently found a tool that honestly surprised me because this video converter used to cost almost $90, but now it's completely free forever. No watermark, no file size limits, no video length restrictions, and no locked features. It's called UniFab Video Converter, and today we're going to see if it's actually worth using. You might be thinking, why do I even need a video converter in 2026? Well, the reality is that video formats are everywhere. Maybe your camera recorded in MOV, maybe your client needs MP4, or maybe you just want to extract audio from a video file. These situations happen all the time, and while there are free tools available, many either lack features, work slowly, or require multiple applications to get the job done. That's where UniFab Video Converter comes in. Instead of using 3 or 4 different tools, it tries to put everything in one place. So let's see what it can actually do. First, download UniFab from the official website. Download UniFab Video for free at. Links are in the description. After installing the software, you'll see the UniFab dashboard. Inside the application, go to All Features, Video Editing Tools, Video Converter. You'll notice a green badge that says Free. And yes, this feature is now completely free to use. What immediately stood out to me was the format support. No matter what type of video file you're working with, chances are UniFab can handle it. It supports popular formats like MP4, MKV, and MOV, making it easy to convert files for editing, sharing, uploading, or playback on different devices. And the best part is that the process is incredibly simple. Just drag in your file, choose the format you want, and let UniFab do the rest. This keeps it clean, professional. Let's start with a real-world example. I have this MKV video file here. Some editing programs and devices don't handle MKV very well, so converting it to MP4 makes sense. All I need to do is select MP4 as the output format and click Start. What's nice is that UniFab supports GPU acceleration. It can utilize NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD hardware acceleration to speed up conversion significantly. And so instead of relying only on your CPU, it can take advantage of your graphics card as well. After the conversion finishes, let's compare the original file and the converted file. The playback works perfectly, video quality looks good, audio is intact, and the conversion process was very straightforward. Test 2. Extract audio from video. Another feature many people use regularly is audio extraction. Let's say you have a podcast recording, interview, lecture, or music performance. Instead of opening an editor and exporting manually, you can simply convert the video into an audio format. I'll choose MP3 as the output format, start the conversion, and within a few moments I now have a standalone audio file ready to use. It's simple, but definitely useful. Test 3, batch conversion. Now let's test something more practical, batch conversion. Instead of converting files one by one, I can import multiple videos at once, or even an entire folder. This is especially useful for video editors and content creators who handle lots of footage. I'll add several files here, choose the output format, then start the process. UniFab processes everything automatically. No need to sit there repeating the same steps over and over. This alone can save a lot of time if you work with videos regularly. Built-in editor features. What's interesting is that UniFab isn't only a converter, it also includes some built-in editing tools. For example, you can crop videos, add subtitles, adjust playback speed, add effects, apply watermarks, and perform quick edits without opening a dedicated editing application. Now, obviously this isn't trying to replace Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut, but for quick adjustments before conversion, it's very convenient, especially for casual users. Compared to online converters, UniFab offers several benefits. No upload waiting, no browser limitations, no file size restrictions, and faster processing through GPU acceleration. Compared to some traditional converters, the interface feels modern and beginner-friendly. Plus, the batch processing feature is genuinely useful. Of course, if all you need is an occasional conversion, free alternatives still exist. But combining multiple features into a single application definitely makes the workflow easier. If you'd like to try it yourself, download UniFab Video for free. Links are in the description. Let me know in the comments what feature you use most when working with video files. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.